So we just need to fix the car, Neil. Just fix the car.
Well, that's what I've been asking for 6 months.
Okay, but
and you deflect everything.
No.
I came in. The last time it was here for a week, it came in for a vibration and the steering, and you didn't do any of that. You deflected it off to a noise, and then so that it doesn't come back. So that you can say there's nothing wrong with it.
No, it's not that. It's not that.
Of course
it's because we were dealing with. There was about 12 different people involved in it. So there was about 12 people, different people. All of them were saying different things. It was stupid. So now we've compressed it down to just me and you.
But I told you that it had a vibration issue.
But then we were concentrating on the noise when we went out, mate. So we were concentrating on that. So that's when the ticket went down.
All that since then.
Yeah,
I get that.
Time. I get that.
You're deflecting everything so that you don't have to sort the vibration, and that's what MG is telling you to do.
No, mate, MG are not telling me to do that.
Do you want me to show you the document?
We keep going on about this document. I'll see the document. Yeah, I don't know what document you're on about.
Telling
MG, what? Telling people don't fix people's cars?
Telling you not to do that as a matter of course.
Mate, if MG were telling me not to fix people's cars, I would not work for MG.
It's on here.
Because I am not a crook.
Do you want to see it?
So, yeah, I'm telling you now, if MG are telling people not to repair the car, that's fine. But I'm telling you, I'm not a crook, mate. If somebody's telling me not to fix a customer's car, which is defective, I will not work for that person. I have never seen that document, nor have any of my staff.
Well, they're still chucking these out of the factory with that fault on. And unless the customer complains about it, like me, or takes you to court or whatever, they're not fixing them, and they're not telling customers that these are faulty from the factory.
Yeah, mate, I don't know about that. I work for Stoneacre and I fix cars.
You know that this model suffers with a vibration.
Only through you and through this car.
Well, I've got a memo from MG that says different. That is a workshop memo.
Saying what? Don't repair people's cars?
Yeah, exactly. Don't repair people's cars unless they absolutely, like me, get onto you.
No, mate. I don't know what sort of crooked thing.
There's no crooked nothing. Mate, there's no crooked
if you're telling me now that these people out there are not repairing people's cars that are defective...
Yeah, they're still chucking them out.
No.
They're still chucking them out of the factory with this issue. Or they have done until probably February 24. That's the date of the fix for the release of this. So anything before that is defective.
Neil, while we're here. Brian! Come here, my mate. I'm going to get him to sort your car out now. Right. Do me a favour, pal. Mr. Morton's car here. Yeah. There's some mud on the front of it, mate. Just do me a favour, give the full car a wash and back, mate, yeah. And then park it up somewhere sensible on the back row there, so it's away from that jet wash, mate.
Right, well, he's finished.
Yeah, okay.
All right.
Thank you. So, yeah.
I'll forward you the document.
Yeah, that'd be helpful, but I don't know. For me, mate, I've never seen any document like that. Any of my staff...
It's a workshop document, the same one that authorises this repair on the vibration for you. It's got all the detail on it. It's got this... I know you're putting a front subframe on it, you're putting a front cross member, a rear subframe, and 4 motor mounts.
Yeah, that's right.
That's what you're putting on the car.
Yeah.
How would I know all this?
But that's only because I've been in contact with MG Technical and they've
said you can fix that.
Right.
But they've been holding off. I've rung MG 100 times and they've said it's like your excuse. It's
not an excuse, mate. It's what I'm being told, pal.
A characteristic.
So at that, I can only relay that back.
MG are telling you to tell customers it's a characteristic when they actually know that it's a fault. Maybe
I don't know about that.
Maybe you don't.
Yeah, I don't. I'm not interested in politics.
From MG.
Yeah.
Right.
That's all I'm interested in.
Well, yeah, but you're complicit in that because.
In what? No.
You were.
No, that's
because
insulting.
You're selling
mate, because what you're saying.
Not you personally, but MG Stoneacre, right? Are selling these cars. You've got one round there. You still continue to sell them. You know that it's got the that you even said that one that you took out one day, maybe a salesman's got
Yeah, it makes a noise, low pitch.
Yeah, well, it'll also do the vibration if you go and try it. I'm guarantee it. Right. They're still chucking these out of the factory, and they're telling. I'll tell you. I can't tell you the exact words. It's something like, it's not an after-sales service fixing this vibration. It's only if the customer complains rigorously. That is virtually the exact wording. So that's from MG, and that's basically telling you not to fix it unless the customer kicks off. So you're still chucking cars out and selling them, which are like this, but there's no incentive for you to fix them.
Well, there is. There's a customer at the end of it. If he's got a problem with it and he's fixing, end of. So it's not.
Yeah,
and I get that
you're still chucking them out. They're still chucking them out of the factory, or at least up until February 24. Right. This fix has only just been released, but since these were what were July 23, they came out, didn't they?
Something like that, yeah.
June or July 23, these came out. From then on until February 24, they're chucking these cars out, and the chances are, if you order one, you're going to get one which has been made before that February 24.
Yeah.
So they know that these cars do exactly what this one does, but they tell you not to fix them as a matter of after sales.
Oh, mate, God knows about that. That's on something else. That. But
no, it isn't on something else.
Yeah,
it's on MG.
No,
it's
well,
on MG.
whatever it is, it's not.
Do you want me to show you?
I ain't parting on none of that stuff, and I ain't got any time for that. If you've got a fault with your car, needs fixing, mate.
Yes, but why has it took 6 months? The reason it's took 6 months is because you've been deflecting everything, and you haven't been forward in fixing the thing. I've had 5.5 months of arguments because you say that this car didn't have a fault.